Morning, teacher and friends. My name is Jorge Vargas. This is my farm. This is my horse. These are horses. This is my chick. These are chicks. This is my turkey. These are chicks. These are dogs. Favorite animal is cat. Thank you for attention.